Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video we will discuss the topics that is what is weather. Weather describes the state of atmosphere at any particular time. Weather can be described in terms of temperature and precipitation. The precipitation may be in the form of a snow, rain and hail, wind speed and direction, visibility and cloud amounts. So it means that the two elements are very important, that is temperature and precipitation. Now what is climate? Climate describes the average weather of a particular part of the world at different times of the year. In Britain, we would expect cool summers and mild winters with moderate rainfall throughout the year. So students, you have to understand the difference between weather and climate. Weather is the condition for a short period of time over a specific area, while climate is a climatic condition for a long period of time, mostly for 30 years. Weather can be rainy, cloudy, windy, and climate may be hot or cold. That may be winter and summers, which are for a long period of time. Now the weather stations. A weather station makes continuous measurements of different aspects of the weather. Weather stations use standard instruments so that their readings can be compared. The weather stations are actually the places where the meteorologists measure the weather. And as you can see in the picture that there are different instruments present in the weather stations to measure the weather. Now the first, temperature. The Stevenson screen. Why is the screen painted white? Why is it raised on legs above the ground? And why has it got lowered side? So look at the picture. The Stevenson screen is painted white. So you have to answer that why it is painted white, why it has raised legs, what is the reason behind it, and why has it got a lowered sides, means the sides have a small openings. So find out their answers for your concept clarity. Now precipitation. Precipitation is actually the rainfall, snow, hail and fog. Rainfall is measured in rain gauge. Rain gauge are the bucket-like instruments you can observe in the picture, with the help of which we can measure the rainfall. Some rain gauges record rainfall automatically, whilst others are emptied every day by an observer. Now wind. The wind direction and strength of the wind are both measured, and for it we use a wind vane to measure the direction. An anemometer records its strength. So you should know that a wind vane is used for finding the direction of a wind, and anemometer records its strength. Wind strength can also be measured by using Beaufort scale. Now air pressure. Pressure is the weight of the atmosphere. When air raise, pressure falls. Air raise means when the air moves from the earth's surface to the sky, so the air pressure will fall or decrease. When the air sinks, air pressure increase means when the air moves from up to down to the earth's surface, the air pressure increases on that area. Pressure controls the type of weather, and the instruments that are used to measure the pressure are barometer and barographs. And these are the instruments which are shown in the picture. The first one is the barograph, and the next are the barometers, due to which we can measure the air pressure. Now sunshine, we can measure. A note is made of a number of hours of bright sunshine each day. Sunshine is traditionally measured using a Campbell stock sunshine recorder. As this point is not included in your book, but just for the information, I have included it. So that's for the weather. Thank you, and I hope you will understand the topic due to this video.